Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time you're coming, please hit the subscribe button. If you're a returning visitor, please like and share this video so you can get to all the people out there. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a page lift on CorelDraw. I'm using Corel 19, so I'm just going to quickly show you how to achieve that in few minutes, so just stick around. I'm going to create a new page. So first I'll select the rectangle tool. Just create a rectangle here. I think this is fine. So I'll go to the text tool. I'll just type back to basics. Type that, just move it. So I'm going to bring in the back arrow key. So I'll click here. Usually this might be on star or polygon tool. So to get the shapes, you click on this small arrow over here, then you select common shapes. So when you select common shapes, you now go to this top bar here, then you see arrows. So you click on it and you select the type of arrow you want or any other kind of shape you want. So for this tutorial, I'm going to be selecting the back arrow key. So very quickly, I'm just going to draw my arrow. You can see. So this arrow can be changed in terms of size and every other thing, color. So you see this red marker over here. So that's what you use to change the size. So to edit that, you click on this shape tool over here. Then you select the marker. Okay, let me zoom this in so you can see. So you select the marker. You can see if you want to make the line fatter or you want the arrowhead to be very small, just whichever way you want it, you can play around it. So I want something like this. Yeah, something like this is fine. Or maybe let me just take it down a bit. Okay, I'll just work with this so I don't spend so much time on this tutorial. Yeah, so I'll just reduce the size a bit. So let me move it up here and reduce the size further. I hold down the shift key and drag it in so it can reduce proportionally to fit the size. I think this is okay. So I want to change this font. You can just leave it at any font, but I'll use my favorite font, Titinoms. Yeah, so I'm gonna change this to black color. So you come to this color docker here and just pick the color you want. So having done that now, I'll come back to my main focus, which is the rectangle tool. So let me move this and drop it somewhere here. Yeah, so I'll bring this close. So what I'm going to do now, I want to create the page lift that looks like a page lift, so that this arrow looks like a page lift like you saw when the video started. So to do that, I'm going to duplicate this rectangle here, but before I do that, I'm going to give it a white color. So I just select the color here. It has a white color now, so I'm going to duplicate it. Let me move this down for space. Ctrl D to duplicate. I'll bring this down. So the next thing I'm going to do, let me drag this down still. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to give it a drop shadow. Select the second one and give it a drop shadow. So I'm going to select this one here. So I'll click here, go to drop shadow. But before I do the drop shadow, I need to cut this layer. So I'll bring in the sphere tool, this ellipse tool here. So I'll just draw an ellipse somewhere here. Then I'll just position it. So this is too big, so I'm gonna just reduce it. Okay, so I have something like this. So for me to make this to be in the middle, I'm going to hold down, select this one, hold down the shift, then select, let me drop this, select this, hold down shift, select the rectangle and press the C, the letter C. So this is now aligned horizontally. So having done that, now I'll go to this top bar here and I'll select simplify. What simplify does is to trim out this section, this fair section, that's the ellipse section from the rectangle. So I'm going to click on that so you can see now. So I don't need this part of it, so I'm gonna just hit the delete button. This is the part I'm working with. So on this, I might apply the drop shadow right now. So click and drag. I think this is good. I think I'm happy with this. So having done that, now I'll drop this tool, then I'll press Ctrl K to separate the object from the shadow. So Ctrl K, I'll move this out so you can see now I'm left with just the shadow. So I'm going to delete this too. So what I need to do now is to merge this first rectangle and our new shadow. So I'm going to move this way. Let me move this. Okay, so I noticed our shadow is on top. So what I need to do, I need to send the shadow behind the shape. So I can do that by right clicking and set order to end of page. Alternatively, let me undo. Alternatively, I can select and hold down the shift and the page down to send it back as well. So you can see it now. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to work on this. So I want to remove the outline, this outline here, the black outline. So I select this. I can do that from this top right rather, or from this bottom left. Right click on it. So you can see the outline is gone. So what I need to do is to add a little I need to reduce this a little for this effect to come out very well. So I'm gonna just do this. Let me reduce this from the top. Okay, so I'll move it up slightly. So I hope you can see now. I hope you can see what we have, and let me fit to screen. You can see how it's turning out. Yeah, so having done this, I can now pick this text and drop it here. So you can see. So with this now, we've been able to get our page lift icon. So if you like this, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you can get amazing videos whenever we drop. You'll be the first to see it. So guys, see you in my next video.